Hey, it's Jody of Dr. Pugh's office. Many times I get involved in conversations with patients about their dental insurance, and for a lot of patients, the focus of their dental care is on their dental insurance because they absolutely want to make sure that they get the lowest or have the lowest dental expenses. And dentistry is expensive, so I understand. But when I have those conversations with patients, I always invite them to take a step back and just sort of reframe their thought process. Instead of focusing on dental insurance, focus on what will get them their dental dollars, so to speak, what will stretch their dental dollars the farthest over time and get them into optimal oral health state. And there's really three things. And first is going to a doctor that only uses the highest quality materials. Dentistry is not a commodity, and just like everything else that you can purchase, all of the dental materials that we purchase, whether it's implants, the actual supplies, or whether it's the labs that we use, there's high quality ones and low quality ones. There's name brands and generic or off brands, and we only use highest quality name brands. We don't send our lab cases overseas. We don't send them to the cheap labs. Everything is focused on quality because we know that that's going to lead to dental restorations that last as long as possible, stretching your dollars. Second thing is find a dentist that you can trust. And in our practice, our doctors are trustworthy and conservative. Trustworthy meaning they're not going to sell you anything or tell you you need stuff that you don't need. They're they're conservative in that they are committed to not reducing tooth structure that doesn't need to be reduced. So when you take those two things and put them together, that also contributes to stretching your dental dollars as far as possible. And then the third thing is just simply skill. Dentistry is a very technique-sensitive thing. I think of dentistry as construction in millimeters in an imperfect and ever-changing environment. And skill is so important to how long, what type of outcome you have with the dental restoration and how long it will last. So when you focus on quality and whether you're sold things that you really need or don't need, and the skill of the doctor, I think those three things are what really provides the highest value and the best oral health care, regardless of insurance or not. In our case, we work with a lot of insurances. Most of the insurances we work with are out of network. So when thinking about getting the best value for your dental care, I think it's important to think of those three things instead of thinking just dental insurance. I hope that helps.